Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete a playlist you have on TikTok. So I've already created a playlist. I think I already have a tutorial on that. But I'm just going to check again. If I don't, I'm going to make how to make a playlist, sorry. So to delete a playlist, you're just going to select the playlist you want to delete. I only have one, so just click on it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select the name of your playlist down here. And then you are going to press these three dots next to the playlist name and just press delete playlist. So it's going to show up like delete playlist and the playlist name. If you delete this playlist, you won't be able to recover it. Your videos will still be saved, and then you're just going to press delete. And that is basically it. Now, as you can see, the playlist has been deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.